It's 4:05 p.m. On September 3rd, 2023, and it just started to rain. Just started to rain. Here's some of Tim's family. We're gonna roll out the desserts, but I stepped outside, and it's like a perfect day. It's like Monterey, Santa Cruz weather. And Auntie Esther and Lisette, they're all in there eating and just reminiscing about our sweet little cousin Sujein. And so I just wanted to capture the day so that we have memories. And it just turned out beautifully. So it's raining. It's sprinkling. I have to say it's sprinkling. A little bit of a wind, and you can see the rain, the sprinkling. The kids playing. All the kids playing. There's little Hannah in the little pink dress.
Okay, and we haven't played it yet. Oh, it has been.
The cousins.
Okay.
Kids being kids.
Do we know where it's about? Do we know where it's outside? I'll find out.
I think maybe on Sharon's.
Okay.
Or
Come here.
sure.
I'll find out where Sharon
All the food left over.
Are you on Facebook?
I am not.
Oh, you're not?
No, I'm
Not
on
just social
YouTube.
media?
YouTube. No, I do. Yeah, and I'm going to post these to YouTube. I'll give you my channel. I'm just creating memories for everyone so they can go back and look. And because all my family will be able to see this. All the fellowship.
Yeah, none, girl.
Oh yeah, please. Help yourself. Yeah. Okay. What is it? Pasta? Yeah, it's just yeah.
I was taken care of, so I'm like,
Look at all the food that Angela prepared. The nacho bar. Oh, you know what? No. Oh, the fellowship.
Remember, there's plenty of food if anybody wants seconds, and also the dessert bar is in the back over there. If anybody's done eating would like dessert, help yourselves. In about maybe 15 minutes or so, we'll probably start some sharing of those that would like to share a story about Sujein or a memory that you may have that you would like to share. Thank you.
trash bag. This is very delicious. Wow, wow, wow.
Turned out great,
I can't
James.
stop eating.
I know.